Hi, I'm Evie, and today I'll show you how to make this adorable dog bandana with super easy Velcro closure. You can use snaps if that's more your style. It's the perfect quick gift idea for a fun little project to help you along your sewing journey. Let's get started. This is exactly how it will look. Check how interesting this pattern is. It's truly amazing piece. I chose this beautiful cotton fabric. The strawberry print is my absolute favorite. I need to use the biggest pattern size for my little dragon, and this is how it looks. We'll join it here. And here. The first page explains how to read the pattern, so don't forget to check the little square in the corner for size accuracy. Please join pieces that need it like that. I used some smaller scraps that I had lying around. Cut them carefully, but remember to lay the pattern pieces face side up. I cut the back piece on fold. And we will arrange the front piece like this. Let's clip the first two pieces together. Please sew them with a straight stitch. Clean the edges with pinking shears and top stitch this piece. Please take your time with this step. Now connect the third piece like that. Clip it in place and stitch it with a straight stitch. Now clean the edges with pinking shears and top stitch again. Now please connect the bottom piece to the main piece, like that. Clip it all the way around, but remember to leave an opening on one side. And stitch it with a straight stitch. Turn it inside out with a chopstick. I like to clip the edges like this to set the fabric perfectly before the next step. This way you will control the main stitch. Now top stitch slowly and carefully. This is where the magic will happen. Now you can choose whether to use snaps or Velcro. I chose Velcro and I added like that. Just a tip, use an older needle. I always have one dedicated just to Velcro because it will dull your good needle. We don't want that. Well, and ta-da, you're done! Look how cute it turned out. It's not just a bandana. This is a fashion statement for your furry friend. Your dog will walk down the street like a runway model, turning heads and wagging tails. So go ahead, take your fabulous pup out for a walk and watch the compliments roll in. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial brought a smile on your face or helped you on your sewing journey, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative and easy sewing patterns. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next one.